I'm Ajay. I'm from Tripura, and as a civilian, I want to speak about the situations today here in KANCHANPUR, and especially in Dosda. Right from the morning there, where the situation was bad, many of the Tripura people who came from the hospital were chased in Kumbol Hathai, in the market area. Many were chased by the Bengalis, and also for those who are making the ban, they were chasing the public. Those are going by the bikes. And also some were chased, those who are buying for their household things or some livestock or vegetables. They were also chased after by some of the Bengali people, and which we don't like. Anyway, first of all, we want peace. But to bring peace, there should be understanding from both sides. So the security, if provided, it should be for the both sides first. So in the morning till the evening, we don't see the security provided in our local areas. That is in Lokipur, Tuisama, this area we didn't get. So I request the administration to provide the security equally for both the tribal and the non-tribals. That will be the best. And to bring the situations, once somebody has to come, like the administration has to come from the point of neutral, so that they can bring to the point of understanding between each other. So we want peace. We don't like all this kind of havoc created between the communities. So all this kind of situations like the Nagarik Suraksha Mancho and also the Mizo Convention, the way they impose this indefinite ban is in some way very much misguiding the peace around Kanchanpur, because in that sense, we come to understand that it is also attack to the local people. So that like the previous times, they want to stop everything because suddenly they call the band, go around to get their household things, vegetables or whatever is needful for the family, because suddenly they call the band and they impose it, and it is creating so much problem for those who are sick, even in the villages, and for those who are those who need their household things or the daily rice or the foods that they need. So it is very much creating problems. So we hope and we trust in the governance, and we believe that they will bring peace, and we respect whatever is imposed about the Section 144, and we believe that they will bring peace, and they will solve this situation in a very respectful manner, and we hope that peace will prevail. Thank you so much.
Belaikena hambai Tripura khorang nai tong nai ta hukte bukuk sona sini channel tabu bonorok subscribe khlaya khong khang ken dartino subscribe khlai di job nang chai sekang video norok nugna bagi abani bagi ta ma khlai video ni tolaw norok nugo yagra phai sing subscribe ni suija kasa khlai abona click khlai mani loge no kaisa bell hai khlai nugjagana nukjaka a bell click khlai re click khlai re kha ke sing video upload khlai mani loge no norok video nugana joton chai sekang nugana abani bagi belakeno hambai nai tong di